We got a whole set on eBay.
Ew, don't use your teeth.
Yeah, don't. Ooh, Madden. No, guys, let's keep all the garbage in the pile. Madden.
I got a Raven
NFL players.
and a Pirate. I got Raven Buccaneers.
Okay, so make a pile of all the stickers too. What Sophia got? Sophia got one. We don't have those ones. Is that a brown Seahawk and a red Seahawk, Sophia?
I'll put the stickers away. No, we don't have this team yet. We don't have the Cardinals and the Birds. We don't have
No. Oh, yeah, red Seahawk. Christian, take them out of the little holders.
Oh my god.
It's the purple Seahawk.
We got the Giants.
No, it's the Chargers and the purple Seahawks. Sophia, it's the purple Seahawk you wanted, not the one you wanted? Sophia wanted a purple Seahawk.
We have way too many of these.
Yeah, we never got the set, so we ended up ordering on eBay.
Oh yes, we got another guy I wanted.
Jets, no, we already have Jets and Saints.
Yeah, I just like that guy. I'm the Saints.
Look, I got the same.
We got the Bears and the, who's the other one?
I got the same one.
Colts? Yeah, we have the
Where are
Colts.
the other ones we opened from last time?
Different bag. Sophia, you taking all the stickers out? What do we got? We got Packers and Titans.
We don't have these two.
Rams and Bengals.
No, we don't have these.
Wow, it's a dark Rams uniform. A bright Bengals uniform. Look at that thing. Wow, that's just a bright orange. Who'd you get?
I got another Bronco.
No, we have the Patriots and the Falcons already.
I got another Bronco. Got more stupid
Patriots.
Broncos.
Oh yeah, we have so many Washington Redskins and Broncos.
Yeah. I guess Broncos are stupid.
Yeah, they thought they were really popular, but now there's just too many of them. We got. Yeah, I already got that one, I think. It's Chiefs and.
We've got another one here.
These are just bright orange, bright red. Chiefs and Jets. Lions.
We didn't have these two.
Oi! Oh no!
We got another
It's the
one.
red Seahawks. 49ers.
I got my question. I got found.
Yeah, we got a lot of that one. Jaguars and Eagles.
Here?
Yeah, that's what you do. Toss the
Got the Hawk.
49er on the ground. There we go. There's our other Seahawk. There's our 49er. Our Steelers. Oh, there's the Dolphin. Where'd the Seahawk go?
I don't know. What
Boy,
happened to
Seahawk
Seahawk?
disappeared.
I wonder what happened.
What does a hawk say?
I guess it disappeared.
It disappeared, huh?
Yeah, it disappeared.
Yeah. That Bengal just barely catching it one-handed.
It somehow disappeared.
Disappeared.
Yeah,
Wait,
but
Sophia, you having trouble? Is that the last bag? Sophia's got the last bag?
Yeah.
Make sure she got all the stickers out of hers. Check her. I don't think we got all the stickers out. Oh, there we go. There's New York Giants. We never got that one. It's the blue Seahawks.
I guess there's no Seahawk. This person was stupid. Send us the wrong bag.
All right, Christina. We got Giants and what's this other one?
I gotta go.
Titan or Texans? Yeah, Texans. We never saw that one before.
I gotta go.
And Giants. Okay, Christina, come back. Wait, there's one more. Christina, come back. There's still another one. Sophia's still opening the last one.
Hey, what's in the last one? The
Black Seahawks.
Got more Ravens?
No.
Okay, I guess I can go now.
Daddy, we got silver.
Silver Seahawks.
Look, timber one. Look, Tia, look.
Who is it, Sophia?
Well, Blackie and Rosso.
I have no idea what you said.
Rosso?
Rosso?
Mm-hmm.
Rosso the poet?
Mm-hmm.
There we got last one. Cowboys. Oh, we fumbled the cowboy. That seems about right. Whoa! There. There's the whole set. No duplicates.
Which one wants the all ones?
What? You see them all?